Okay, today I would like to share you about how to create a HD video for the YouTube. So first of all, you need to import a media video. Okay, now I import the video. Okay, add to timeline, and then for this frame you can choose okay, for the camera. Okay, and then to create a HD video file, you can choose this one, produce video as, and then we choose, okay, we choose add or edit present preset, and then we choose, okay, any file that we want. We can create a new production preset, but for now I edit. Okay, and then for this you can put the name in YouTube HD. Okay, and then we choose this one. Okay, now we press make. For this we click time option, and then we go to setting, we choose, okay, this one and this 30 frame rate, for keyframe automatic, and for the quality we can put, okay, we see when we put slow it is, and we can put to the base. Okay, it's better, and it's better. Okay, and then we can set the size of our screen. Okay, I choose different, press OK. With this we can check the sound. We choose this and wait. Okay, we can split the stereo or mono sound. Then it's OK, and press OK. Okay, and then we go to next. Okay, for this one we can choose this and this one, and then go to next. Okay, not something, finish, then we close. Okay, after that we select YouTube HD. Yes, go to next. Okay, we can put the name YouTube HD Then we go to next and finish, and we need to wait. After that we can use HD video. And then we can see the return finish.